Have you always wanted to create beautiful portraits of family and friends that accurately capture their likeness? But you're not really sure how to start, or you become frustrated with the results because you're not sure how successful drawings are built. If this sounds like you, I'd like to tell you about a course I've created that will get you started in the right direction. It's called Drawing Portraiture Made Simple. Hi, I'm Carrie Alves, and I'm an award-winning artist and a fine art instructor. This course is a master copy of Vermeer's Girl with the Pearl Earring, in which I teach you the fundamental principles of creating a realistic portrait done in graphite pencil. When I'm working with students, I'm asking them all the time, what is it that they really want? And they pretty much tell me the same thing over and over. What they want is to gain the skills to be able to draw and create realistic and accurate portraits. But they would also like an easy to follow system. When I was a student, mastering the skills was really important to me. And I found that ultimately there were two things that made a huge difference. The first thing was getting a solid handle on my drawing skills and understanding the basic principles of what it takes to create a successful, realistic drawing. And the second thing was doing master copies. Truly, I found that studying the masters was like taking a course with some of the greatest creative minds that have ever lived. And I could see right away that this was an accelerated learning path. Those are the principles I used to create this course. My goal is to give you an easy to follow, structured system that will give you an understanding of the basic principles of realism, and also to give you a taste of the benefits of master copies. In this course, we're going to learn about what I call the 7 key principles of realism. And they are, first of all, understanding light. Secondly, how to measure accurately. Third, how to lay in a value base. Fourth, edge quality and preparation. Fifth, big form modeling. Sixth, details and values. And then seventh, finally, editing information. You'll also learn about your materials. You'll learn about reference images, as well as a little bit about Vermeer. In this course, you'll get 36 teaching modules, 4 hours of video instruction time, 9 downloadable step-by-step PDF guides, as well as a downloadable reference image. So who is this course for? Well, it's for those of you that are new to drawing and would like to learn a structured and proven system. It's also for more experienced artists who would like to improve their drawing skills and also integrate these academic and proven systems into their art practice. It's also for those who love the old masters and would like to explore the time-honored tradition of doing master copies for their own pleasure and their own education. So what will you need to do this course? Well, you'll need a full range of artist quality graphite pencils. You'll also need some inexpensive blending brushes. You'll need a simple measuring tool, a couple of erasers, a utility knife, some pencil extenders, some 220 grit sanding paper. You'll also need a drawing board and some drawing papers. You'll need some 50-pound sketch paper, and you'll also need some finished drawing paper and some low-tack painter's tape. We also have some optional supplies to create a handy studio tool called a black mirror. I'll supply you with the reference image, but you'll need to get it printed out. What I've introduced here is a complete self-study program. However, it's paired with additional learning opportunities. And you can find out more about those by visiting my website from the link below. So I'll see you in class. And remember, stay creative. This is your time to express yourself.